Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create one folder that you're going to share with me. So I have one link that I can check out all your documents without having to look at them individually. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to Create. And we're going to go to Folder. And I'm going to call it Project Documents and my last name. So you may want to put the name of the project. I'm not going to put that because I'm using this as a general template, but you may want to put what is the name of the project and your last name. So we're going to go to Create. And if you notice over on the left hand side now we have our project documents over here. And so what we want to do is you want to find your folders or the files that you're going to be putting the into the folder. And so a quick and easy way for you to do that is to click on the documents that you want to put in there. So that one, and we'll do that one. And so now, if I were to click on this and drag it over, now I can place it into that project documents folder. So now if I click on that folder, now I can see all my files here. Now, the next step, you're going to make sure that you do this for each of the files that you put into there, is that I need to click on the share button. And so for each of my files, I need to make sure that they're shared so that anybody with the link can view them. And so you can do that for all your files. So it'll take a minute or so to do all those. So now if I go back to my main project document, so now I'm going to click on this file. And one other thing, so if you have created something that is not a Google Drive type file, so if you create a Prezi, if you create a Slide Rocket, here's what I'd like you to do. So I want you to go to Create, and I want you to go to Document, and I want you to copy and paste whatever the web address is. So if it was a Prezi, then share the Prezi web link. So usually when they give you the share option, they'll give you a website or a link for somebody to access your Prezi. So you will type your Prezi or your Slide Rocket or whatever the address is into here, and you're also going to name your file. We'll call it Prezi Presentation. That way I can look at all your project documents without having to go to a lot of different links. I can just go to your shared folder and I'll see that. So now we're going to go back, and so now I have my Prezi presentation. The last step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the little tab next to it, and you're going to go to Share. And so if you go to Share, you're going to say who has access. You're going to say change to anyone with this link. So you're going to click on that, and you're going to click Save. And usually I would have you put in my name down here, but that's not what we're going to do for this one. For this one, you are going to click and copy and paste this link. So if I were to do Command C or Control C of this web address, you are then going to paste that into a Google form that I've also sent out in this email. So that's how you send out a shared folder. So if you have any questions, be sure to email me, but I think that should be pretty self-explanatory. Okay.